Welcome friends, today we are going to learn a new kind of mating, hinge mate. These are two hinges and we'll be mating them using a single mate. There are two ways of doing a hinge mating. Either we can directly use the mate, which is the hinge mate, or we can go through the standard mating and making it concentric, then putting it upwards, and then clicking on this face and this face, clicking OK. Now using a standard mate, we will have to use a concentric mate as well as a coincident mate to make the mating take place, to have the hinge go well. So this is the way in which we do use two mates. But if we do use a hinge, if we do use the hinge mate in the mechanical mates, you can see, clicking on this, both of the matings, the concentric as well as the coincident mating, are covered in one mate. So, for example, I am taking it here. I am taking the concentric selections, clicking on these. Then I am picking up the coincident selections, clicking on this, and these two go in one go. Clicking OK, you can see this is the hinge mate. Let me show you a typical problem here with the hinge. You can see this hinge is not going proper with this mating. This has to be flipped over. So first of all, deleting this hinge mate to sort out the problem, and I am going to the rotate component, rotating it like this. Now it should behave well. Clicking on the hinge, and now picking up the concentric selections, this, and then the coincident selections, clicking on this, and then on this, clicking OK. You can see showing from the top, these are doing fine. Now the next option within this hinge mate is to show you. I can specify the angle limits. Clicking on this, either I can make them fixed. For example, I'm picking up this face and then this face. Here is the angle set as 0. For example, I'm taking the angle as 90. It's going in the reverse direction. I can take the angle as 270. So this is the angle mating, the fixed angle mate. But for example, I don't want to take this, and I don't want to specify the limits. This is the maximum value of the angle. For example, I am taking this value as 180 and this value as 0. So let us see what happens. So here you can see I have taken this this as 0. This is the 0 degree angle, and I have made it go up to 180 degree as the maximum value, and starting from the minimum value of 0 degree. Now clicking OK, you can see this hinge can go only up to this point. And let me show you from here. You can see it starts from here and ends up to this point. So this is a very interesting and a very useful mate, the Hinge mate. Thanks for watching.